Welcome, and you're watching www.theproperty.com and Dialogue Television, and we're coming to you live from London Place. Wesley College hosting St. Peter's College in the second round fixture, second week of the second round. And
as you see the St. Peter's College team card on your screen, Nikhil Yapa in jersey number 1, Julian Charles, Manul Uduskumbura, Ashane Mendes, Johan Fernando, Uma Mohideen, Jason Karna.
Looking at the Wesley lineup, Sajin, we see MS Amit starting as prop forward, partnering with Javardhan of Vimukti, Fernando and Samuel at locks and Dias. We also see Samar Vikrama on the flank and TD.
Yes, and a quick look at the bench. Zayan Dole, Chanol Fernando, S.I. Musa, Mulana. Apologies there. Off now for Wesley College. And we're off. High deep kick by Wesley College. They've opted to go deep.
Good collection. Gives advantage to St. Peter's. So ideal opportunity for now for St. Peter's. Referee might want to have a chat with.
Right. And he's curled that one in. A perfect kick by Steven Sivaraj. So now in there. He moves it. Excellent defense by St. Peter's. They've held on for now. Avish Kali goes out. And Wesley College scoring on the far right side of the post. Exceptional try there.
Himesh Aponso has already scored 3. And
this time spot on by Avish Kali. He's nailed.
Wide pass. Numbers on the outside, and a good pass coming and an excellent tackle coming, but however it's above the neck, so it's a penalty. An advantage played. Numbers out wide. Sabah might have to go for the bin this time. This is second infringement, but that
you have to make sure that you're going below the shoulders. Well, it's a question of safety now.
10 minutes, and now Petra, it's with a one-man advantage as Steven Sivaraj lines up an easy kick and he slots it right through. So 6 points to 7. Wesley taking 1 point lead, gaining yard by yard. Ever so close. So numbers on the outside, and this time Avish Kali will score for Wesley. Exploited the opportunity, saw the gap in the fringes, and he creeps.
Sabar looking to make a point after spending some time in the bin. Avish Kali now.
Shamel Amit takes contact. Takes from the base and run. Exceptionally done. Avish Kali steps right in, and he's through, and he will go to score under the post. Excellent work by Avish Kali.
Yes, brilliant support there by the number 9. He was right off the shoulder of his front row forward who broke down the middle.
I have to wonder how they are still only 6 points, as they were attacking majority of the game. So Wesleyites will, the coaches will have a word with both teams.
Jayagраhi Potion, Hotmali Jumps, Rupial Hakan Spark Pamada.
St. Peter's College and Wesley College. Joining me in commentary is Joel and Dinuk. Welcome, Dinuk.
Thanks, Sachin. Nice to be on a wet day in Colombo as Wesley progressed through.
Referee calling play back there. He's actually handed out a yellow card for not too sure what. Avish Kali with a chip over the top, and he's collected himself. Brilliant work there by Avish Kali. That one last pass had to go through.
And a knock-on comes through. So great bit of play by Avish Kali. Unfortunately, knock-on coming through. So that's Mark.
Is the player who's come on for Steven Sivaraj. Meanwhile,
speedy recovery for Mendes as he's been taken off the ground.
Yes, it's never nice to see a player staggered off.
Hey, you can't.
The forwards holding on to the ball.
Charging forward.
It's number 17, Isru Fernando. Quick ball needed now. Numbers out wide. And that's Robin Fernando scoring on the far left side. Excellent work there by St. Peter's College. They built up the... Referee playing advantage. Well, so now St. Peter's College going to play the last.
They still will have to clear their lines. Wesleyans need to realize that they don't have their usual kickers, so flankers. So
Wesley
ball
College.
handed to Wesley College. As the match, Aponso scores. As that goes through, that will give Wesleyites a good lead, and that's the game. So Wesleyites secure the game and manage to win and keep their title hopes alive. So Wesley College, just with their one
The last
initial.
one was yesterday and came off with a win, so it'll be interesting. They'll be very happy. As you can see, the final score: Wesley College 26. To this, the weather change, the pattern change. Midweek of May, normally we get rain after that.
For you,
2
26
months.
points to 14. There you see the player of the match, Avish Kali. St. Peter, Wesley College scoring their points with 4 tries, 3 goals.